TOEFL Integrated Writing Task. Writing based on reading and listening. For this task, you'll read a passage about an academic topic. A clock at the top right of your screen will tell you how much time you have to read. You should take notes on the passage while you read. The passage will then be removed, and you will listen to a lecture on the same topic. As you listen, you should also take notes. You will be able to see the reading passage again when it is time for you to write. You may use your notes to help you answer the question. You will then be asked to write a response that asks you about the relationship between the lecture to which you just listened and the reading passage. Using information from the reading passage and the lecture, answer the question as completely as possible. Please note that this question does not ask you for your personal opinion. Your response will be judged on the quality of your writing and on the completeness and accuracy of the content. Although considered a technically easy climb by most popular routes, an ascent of McKinley is a serious undertaking made difficult by the cold, the weather, and the sheer scale of the massive mountain. On average, during the past few years, about 1,000 climbers attempt the summit per season, 500 make it, and 3 die. The climbing season runs from mid-April until mid-July, since before then it is too cold, and after that too stormy, and the snow too mushy and unstable from too much sun. Theoretically, early season May is colder but less stormy, and later June is warmer with more snowfall, but in a given year, anything can happen. Success percentages for a year have gone as low as 31% in 1987 or as high as 67% in 1983. The standard route is technically Easy West Buttress, which starts at a Glacier airplane runway at 7,200 feet. Virtually everyone flies onto the glacier to avoid an arduous approach. The standard rule is to allow 3 weeks for the climb and to be prepared to spend a week of that holed up in your tent waiting for the weather to clear. Other routes include the Muldrow Glacier route, technically easy but involving a long approach over the tundra from the north. The West Rib, a more challenging climb involving a steep couloir, and the Cason Ridge, a committing and difficult rock climb. Now, many climbers call the mountain by its original Native American name, Denali, meaning Great One. To many, it seems a more fitting name than one memorializing the obscure 25th U.S. President William McKinley. The U.S. Congress changed the name of the surrounding park to Denali National Park, but a congressman from Ohio, McKinley's home state, blocked the name change for the mountain itself. So the official name of the mountain remains Mount McKinley. Although the peak was named by a partisan prospector before McKinley was even elected president, his subsequent 1901 assassination helped make the name stick. The best justification for continued use of the name McKinley is that Theodore Roosevelt was the vice president selected by William McKinley, whose subsequent assassination put the first environment-minded president into office. Read the question below. Use the remaining time indicated to plan and write your response. Your response will be judged on the quality of your writing, as well as how well your response presents the points in the lecture and the relationship to the reading passage. Typically, an effective response consists of 150 to 225 words. How does the listening passage support the information presented in the reading passage?